reception, children. It's phonics time again, and we're going to learn a new sound to make some new words today. So let's start off with our alphabet song. Don't forget to join in. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Well done. Right, time to look at our sounds now. Don't forget to join in. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Da, 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 da. Oh, oh, oh. Go, 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 go. Oh, oh, oh. Wah, wah, wah. Ah, ah, ah. J, 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 j. Quack, quack, quack. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, oh, oh. Shh, shh. The. Ch, ch, ch. These two go together. You remember? E, O, E, O. Read on ears. E, O, E, O. A, I. Fantastic. Right, let's have a look at the names of the letters today. So try to join in with me or repeat it after me if you're not sure. O, A, B, H, D, P, B, F, I, M, L, G, K, T, S, U, F, X, W, E, C, J, Q, U, Y, C, K, Z, Q, R, M, S, L, S, H, T, H, Z, C, H, N, G, O, R, E, R, U, R, A, I, G, H. Brilliant. Let's have a little look at our tricky words. We're getting more and more now that we know. So can you see? Can you read them with me? I, to, the, go, no, went. Let's look at our other tricky words. He, she, we, me, they, you, they. That's our new one, isn't it? They. With the sound. They. Now we're going to have a look at our new sound today that we're going to learn. Let's have a look. I wonder if anybody knows what that sound is. Let's have a look what letters are in it. It's got an R and an A, or an O and an A to use our names. R and A. Does anybody know that sound? You might have seen it before. It makes the sound O. O. Can you say that with me? O. O. Brilliant. And let's have a look what's happening in the picture today. Well, we can see a little boy, can't we? And he's got a boat. Ooh, what has boat got in it? Listen, boat. And you can see something terrible has happened. Can you see what's happened? What has happened to that tree? It's fallen over, hasn't it? I wonder what's happened to it. I wonder if it's been bumped into by something, or whether it's been blown over. You can see it's fallen over, and all the roots that should be in the ground are all out of the ground. But even worse than that, what has the tree fallen on? Can you see what it's fallen on? Does anybody know what that is? What's that animal? It's a goat. And what sound has goat got in it? Goat. Goat. At the bottom, it says the word goat. Can you read it with me? Go. O. And you sound O. Go. Oat. Goat. Well, it's very shocking. Hopefully, the poor goat is all right. But this little boy is so shocked that he's going, oh, oh. Can you do that? Can you go, oh, oh? And that is our action, our Jolly Phonics action, or the O sound. It's been very shocked at seeing the goat and saying, oh, oh. Can you hear the O sound when we do that? And if you want to have a look at the song that goes with that action, then have a look on YouTube or on the link on the school website for the O song. Now, let's have a think about some things that have got O in them. So one thing that we've got is our goat, isn't it? Goat, goat. And also, this tree that's fallen over is a special kind of tree. I wonder if anybody knows what kind of tree it is. It's got something on it. It's got little acorns on it. Does anybody know what kind of tree that is? That's called an oak tree. An oak tree is very special for my class in particular because it's the name of our class. I'm going to show you some pictures of some oak trees now. Can you see the oak trees there? Those are oak trees. They grow to be very big and strong, and they have curly leaves like this, and they have acorns that are like their seeds that if you plant will grow another oak tree. So O is for oak, which is the name of mine and Seth's class. So that's very special. We've also got this that starts with an O. We put something on, and you can see what am I putting on. It's something that you put on if you go outside. I put on my coat. Okay. O, coat. Can you hear the O sound in that word too? Let's have a go and see if we can make some of those words. So first of all, we're going to have a go at making the word oak. So oak, like the oak tree, and like oak grass. So what does that start off with? Oak. Oak. So it starts with the O. That's our new sound. With the R and the A. O. Can you hear the last sound? Oak. And in this word, it's a K, or a kicking K. Oak. Oak. And that says oak, like oak trees and oak plants. So let's think of another word with O. Can you remember what I just put on before? I put on my coat. Let's see if we can make the word coat. What does coat start with? Coat. And this one starts with a C or a curly K. Coat. K. O. Can you hear the O sound? That's the O. Our new sound with the R and the A. Oat. What's that last sound? Coat. That's right. It's a t, t, t. Let's read the word together. Oat. Coat. Brilliant. We'll just do one more. Now, I wonder, when you get in the car and you come to school or you get on the bus, you come on the road. Can you hear the O sound in road? Road. Road. Let's see if we can make that word. What does it start with? Road. That's right. It's like O. What comes next? Road. O. O. What's the O sound? And the O sound. And what's the last letter that we need? Road. Road. That's right. Finishes with a D. Let's read it together. Road. Road. Brilliant. That's how to make some different O words. Let's see if we can write a sentence with an O word in. Now, I thought of a good sentence with O. I thought of a sentence. I am in oak class. So I counted out my words to see how many it was. I am in oak class. Can you see how many words that is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words in my sentence. And in between each word, I need to leave a finger space. That's right. So let's see if I can write that sentence. Can you remember what the first word was? It was I. So how do you write I? It's one of our tricky words, isn't it? It goes straight down with a hat on the bottom. I. Then I need to leave a finger space. How do you write am? Let's listen to the sounds. I need to leave another finger space. I am in. Help me sound out in. What does in start with? In. In. I am in. And you need to leave another space. This is where you have to bring this on underneath. I am in oak. So oak starts with a new sound, O. I'm going to put a capital letter to start this word because this is the name of a class. So a capital O is just the same as the normal O, the small o, except it's bigger. And can you remember what goes with my O sound with the R? That's right. That makes an O sound, our new sound. Oak. Oak. And if you remember, it was a kicking pair. I am in oak class, and I'm going to put a capital C, okay, that's the name of my class, oak class. Now, what are the letters are in class? Class. And sometimes when we have a S at the end of the word, it's the S, two S together. There's just one thing missing from my sentence. Can you remember what it is? That's right, it's a full stop, a little dot to show that I finished my sentence. Let's see if we can read it together. I am in oak class. I am in oak class. Well, I hope you enjoy learning about O, and see if you can write some words and read some words with O sounds in, and see if you can think of a sentence with an O word in. See you next time. Bye.